back to Aside Hot, and we get August visitor in the month of May. Her name now waiting, Honorable Princess Folashade Aisha Oba. I go call the name full because she not be ordinary person. And we dey discuss the condition of women inside Obodo, Nigeria. As it take concern the situation when they face women in the face of all this Boko Haram Jaguda crisis, and also women for inside politics for our Obodo, Nigeria. Honorable, thank you once again for coming and for answering all our questions with plenty experience. Now, you don't talk about education, you don't talk about rehabilitation, you don't talk about accommodation. Whether they like them or not, we don't want to know where the money go come from.
Yes.
This not I go speak English as a matter of expediency. Now, what our government supposed to do?
Yes.
We see picture of the way when they pack them with the one way carry picking for bag for inside truck. No, it's
wrong.
It wrong.
Very wrong.
This in self na abuse.
Na abuse, big time.
Serious abuse.
Very serious.
Honestly, say na people dem pack like this. Wetin e take, even if na our bosses dem put them, make them dey comfortable. See as dem still dey struggle. No chair inside o, dem dey pack.
People wey carry pikin wey dey among them o, and the pikin go dey suffocate inside this midst of crowd. You understand?
No, this not the proper, not the right. But we just hope say because as they hot, as we dey talk am, the full Nigeria dey hear.
Oh, make them hear.
When we begin to take phone calls,
make our government do something, not be say just to
for talk and for
make them do something.
True.
I know say our Oga Jonah don say make we no run parallel government, say no to government. But even if though these 3 weeks wey remain, I know say God still give am the power. Make he save this our women.
Anyway, the military on their own part don't they try. We just see they don't they bring results. They don't they rescue. They bring back our girls. And we just hope say the remaining places, they go do it. They go invade them. Make sure say they rescue the remaining people. Okay, we come carry and come this thing. We first look women in politics. Which one we first enter?
No, we talk about the shelter.
The shelter, the shelter of Grace Foundation. Because we don't hear your story now. Nobody hear it start. We don't hear them. The number of people we don't empower, we don't give level, we don't give strength. Say yes, take this truth, take this knowledge, go take do it and go take develop yourself.
And I know say if she get the opportunity, she feel do 5,000 people don't reach to win election now. You don't reach to win election now.
I mean, you know the thing where they be saying na the mind. Not be say you go wait till you get 1 billion, 1 trillion, 1 something before you go say you say want do something. Anything where you get, if na one person, you fit help. If not two. But for me, when I think as I come back, I say, my people, if you see my people for our place, fine, young, beautiful, all of them, no job. Then go say no job, no job. I say no job. Waiting hold you for no job. And you know for this our Lagos, the governor, they try well.
They try.
So sometimes, you go, even for they get that experience, some of them you go tell them make them come go to school. Because you no give them small money like this, they not go
at all.
They no want go.
School free of charge.
School. They no want go. So you go need to babysit them, pamper them, say, if I give you small money today, you take a job. Tomorrow, not be every day you go see me.
Exactly.
Say, I go stay, come. Oh yeah, you know, I say, if you lend the one for your head, when that person no day.
You go generate money for yourself.
For yourself. Your wife, your pikin, tomorrow. And then the crime self. And the thing, all this our youth, now then they go use, say, make them go do bad.
Go smash ballot box.
Like, because
the cases we see them now.
Because they see, say, their life don't mean anything. Then go fall.
Very true.
You know? So, now we can say, the more people will get something for head, where they feel good about themselves, make as we they talk this learning work. You know, say you talk about my husband. He himself, na journalist in Shebi. But when we come back, he go learn mechanic. He go learn. Yes, so.
He go learn mechanic.
Me self, I sit down for the class for mechanic with him. Yes, now. And you know the thing, mechanic now, if my car stop for road, if he say, madam, oh, now 200,000, I go smile. I go say, wait now.
You think I don't know?
I sabi this one. So I save my money.
Yes.
Now that knowledge where I get, my money stay.
Knowledge is power.
Yes. So all of us, we need to start like that. Not be to look down on any profession or anything. Anything where you they do, make you do and where make you sabi so that they go say yes. You know, so you go get the school one because me I believe say school you must get
exactly.
Yes. But apart from school one, you go also get some other thing.
Handwork.
Where you go there.
Would they help they connect?
Because your Bible they talk say on waja. That is to say you don't know
one road do the enter market.
No.
A different
and
connection.
You know, as it can't be like that, when we start the training self, if you see, at first I say now you too and women. Even old men they plenty. Where they don't they retire, work nowhere. Like fish farming, snail, whatever. I see old men, I say, wait, they say they want to do career change.
True.
So now my heart can melt. Say, oh God, people they really need this kind of thing, but they don't know how they will go about it. So, and not be say somebody go come to your house and say, they say power no they serve a la carte. Not be easy. Sometimes you yourself you go find out waiting your community there to offer. Waiting there where you go fit learn. Every day say you dey better your life. It dey important.
Okay. I go talk this thing.
Okay, talk.
As you dey like this, as we dey like this, as the hot country. You don't win our election. No. Now you be our president. Because this thing when you no seriously, this thing when you dey talk now, not be ordinary.
No, the thing be say
you come after you spend so many years abroad, where NEPA no dey take light, where water dey dey, where security dey, where pothole no dey dey. You come back to Nigeria, come still identify say these things no dey right. Make we do am well. You be strong woman. I think me self, I say na the love of my people and my love for, because when I come, I see the place, I say, child, but I love this place. You love this place.
Too much.
You love this place.
Too much. And so, I know say if all of us, they run away like that.
You no go better.
Now all of us, now we go come take care of this
place.
And everything where we need to do better country for this one. And God don't give us for this our country.
Okay, fine. We don't say yes, you don't start up a very good platform where you don't encourage a lot of people. Okay, and you don't reach one point. Okay, what will be the next step? Because I know say your generosity, your goodwill to the people, no be here it will stop. What will be the next step towards ensuring say you connect to more and more people?
You know,
but before you go answer that question, I beg, let me quickly collect this call from one of our regular callers. Igo, they call us from Abuja. Good morning, Igo.
Oga Okubi.
Good morning.
And Shikude. I greet you now. Good morning.
Yes, we greet you too.
Help us greet our
good morning,
princess.
sir.
I watch out for my phone because I'm not there, but I follow you for phone.
Okay.
Yes. Onto the topic about this guest, when you say all these people guests. So, make the federal government and the state government may they take responsible for their life, their education, everything. When you say about those guests. Then secondly, they'll take them better, may they hire better professional. That is gathered a counselor, we go counsel them.
Yes.
Because many of them are what you see now, their head don't turn. Because when you leave small, they say people go kill themselves. But may they find better person, professional.
We go counsel them.
Yes, we go give the correct orientation. We go inculcate good education for their head so that they go fit.
Forget what happened to them.
So that means because they're going to be the remember flashback of all those bad things when they happen to them. But may they find professional way go take care of them and their life go better.
Oga, thank you very, very, very much. We don't hear what Oga go talk. Now still on waiting you don't talk. Say, look, make them do it, make them reorientate these guys, make them give them good counseling, make them forget what don't happen to them. So see, based on the question we they ask, waiting be the next step. Okay, we still get called because people no go stop. They call us, they go. Israel is calling us from Good morning, Israel.
Yeah, for you.
Thank you very much.
How you doing? How about your brother? Is he there that place?
He there. He there.
Oga Israel, na radio you dey watch.
No, I just dey use my phone. We no get light for Papa here.
Okay.
If like na the impeachment when they want impeach una governor, na him make am tell NEPA say make dem cut una light. Abeg chook mouth for the matter.
Na one for you. Wetin the na about the chief boss girls dem dey discuss today.
No, wetin we dey discuss? We dey look the condition of women for Nigeria based on this insurgency. Na them dey suffer the thing pass. And we call dey look say okay for politics now. Wetin we fit do for our women when we say we fit come wake up one day for this Nigeria come look say okay we don get woman as president.
Okay, see, we supposed to handle our women very well, because you see, now for only this Naija and some Africans, women know the rule now. When you go for Britain now, now woman now they rule that place now.
No, the woman are
you get that way woman rule.
No, but make we look Liberia. It makes sense.
But now, if you see for our people now, we don't allow women to rule, even me self.
Why now? But you they comment to other countries we don't give women the chance. Why don't give women the chance for your own country?
For our own, you know, say people oversabi full our country. If they give women make rules today, tomorrow then go overthrow themselves. One seat self it overthrow women self.
Very true. Oga Israel, you don't make very, very important points, and it makes sense.
Thank you, Oga Israel.
Before you answer that question, I'll come link them to wetin you don't talk. Now, empowerment, education, they're very, very important. The reason why Israel expressing fear, he talk about oversabi, and the oversabi na based on say okay, na like this we won't do, but government nobody they sabi government pass. Now why people they work pari passu, that is hand in hand.
Yes.
So if the woman they qualified to do the job, whether she they wear trouser or she they wear skirt, now the sense to make things go well. Now we want, and now waiting you don't talk this morning with that.
Yes. I go beg Oga Israel. Now the thing where I dey talk about our Nigerian man be that. My Oga self, he go tell us say, woman wey do gara for your husband, you know they go nowhere. If you sabi better, now anything where you want,
your husband go give you. If you don't touch am for the back of his ear, the man go just
so now in our women, if they give you small power, I beg. Use am wayo, small. Then make sure say na the better of the people. Na in the primary, na the cocoa.
Yeah, but quickly, Bobby, one of our regular callers, they call us from France. Bobby, good morning.
Good morning, Okubi.
Yes, how we dey today?
I dey fine. No, how about it?
Greet our honorable,
our
princess.
I see our first greet you before you come talk.
Okay.
Madam Princess, I bet good morning.
Good morning, sir.
May God bless you.
And you too, sir.
We need more women to move that country forward. You know, in the sense, my contribution for the day is say. They say home charity begins at home. First of all, the problem when I see for inside Nigeria today, most fathers they look daughter as the king. You understand me? Because in the sense they say he not go bear in name, they go marry out. They go marry out, go for a house. So they regard them as a king. So that's why most fathers they train daughters them. You they say also, like most fathers, they train their daughters. They prefer to train their sons than their daughters. You know, understand me now? But we get to look into those things. Then you say to try to give women opportunity to, in the sense they say, that they help their parents. If you look at the women, they take care of their papa and mama. You understand me? For boys, they take care of their parents. Then I want that thing when. As a family, as a father, you get to understand. So those are the things that we need to put into consideration, you know. So those are the things, most important things in life. True. You know, so that is my contribution for the day, you know.
Thank you very much, Bobby.
Oga Bobby, you don't make very, very important points.
Thank you very, very much.
And make I come break down with Oga Bobby, don't talk. This is a mindset.
Yes.
And now going back to the beginning, because na culture say, you go marry another man. You no go answer my name.
Myself, I don't talk am this morning.
You talk about you
miss my papa. I say that's why I still leave the name.
The name inside.
Olabanji na my papa.
My
Oba na my husband. Because my papa do that mistake. He say, first you sabi book, yes, but that one first degree don't do for woman. But later in life, before he die, he go say,
like say
no.
he say he no sabi. Say the God like am better because as they talk, say na woman they take care of them. My papa go say, child, it be like say make him put me for him pocket everywhere because he realize say na me. Every time when he call one time, I don't answer. I fear that.
You can't even be like woman with man.
Yes.
So, no to talk am.
So now our men, make una take care of your pikin when a woman.
Very true.
Make you know say, I know they waste my money. This girl, you know they go anywhere. Now another man, hey. I feel like that.
They talk. After all, women, no be them be president for other countries. They no get papa
where
they come become who them become. True. Anyway, on that note, we collect this call from John. John, they call us from Benin. Good morning, John. John, you there? Good morning. Let's say we don't miss John.
Okay, John.
Network.
It be like say as we dey talk the thing touch Oga John for mind. He come look and say he don't agree. No, he don't agree with what you talk. You mention say he get the condition the level when woman go reach. She go even customize her husband name. Now she go make the husband name get weight.
Yes.
You call Margaret Thatcher here now.
Yes.
Margaret Thatcher. Yes.
Once they call Margaret Thatcher, they talk of woman wey sabi well. Yes. We no go miss this one. We'll collect this one. Adeset, they call us from Lokoja. Oga Adeset, good morning, sir.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Adeset.
Good morning, a good long time.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
The thing we say, our women, we the men will not give them care with their need. That is why you see we see the drawback. I didn't say we put them as we did for 70%. We give them 30%. Like that, or as we did 60, we give them 40%. Definitely, the train would move together because no work we man would do today without the help of any woman
by the side, yes.
By the side, that work no go ever be successful. If you reach front, you must crash. Or any work we woman put hand for them. If it dey go, the work would I see the man they try for, the woman would support them for that. You know, say the word of a woman, not the small word. We just be like, even though not small, as long as in a woman, neither person don't be. He just be like elder, be that whether small or big, now elder it always a big. So the problem is say for Nigeria here, we don't look woman as anything. We look them as more just marry them for us, maybe they born picking for us, and maybe they do other house activities. Even many waiting for office, so I don't see many waiting for office. But yet, the husband, the men, they still treat them like ordinary kitchen woman, ordinary floor woman. But it's not supposed to be. It's supposed at least, as God don't give us that head power over them, we now will be the head. Without the neck, we'll not go stay.
Exactly.
Very true.
So,
thank you very much, Oga.
God go bless you, sir.
Thank you very
I wish
much.
then plenty of our men for Nigeria get this kind of man.
Exactly.
Our country go don better well.
I'm such kind of man. I don't know about you whether you be such kind of person, but me.
I not believe what you talk.
Kind of man,
are you such kind of man? Are you woman rapper or what?
Like
or what?
Anyway, like say, you don't get woman what they call beauty. I'm not saying you did beautiful enough to also express this matter the way it be. Beauty from Abuja, good morning. Good morning, Beauty.
Good morning, Ukobi, my friend.
How you doing?
I dey found. Good day.
Beauty.
How you doing?
I dey for I greet
my
our
princess,
visitor.
I dey hear you.
Hey, good morning, my sister.
How in a day? How you talk?
So I beg, Chukman for the matter.
Good day. I dey greet and my princess, I dey give you both out.
Thank you. I beg, Chukman for the matter what they talk about.
The word I want to tell now. The word I want to tell now. This about this Nigeria about women. Women feel rule. Only say they don't want to give us the chance, and the problem what they get. The problem what they get not be from east or not from north, because then they don't want to take woman rule because they don't say woman they always talk through. I think you understand. Because anything without woman, even God described for a great man. Before God commode that ribs from man, You know, say the man not get sense finish like that. Sometimes you go see some men, now lie, yo. They not get that sense, so. But with that woman, nothing feel complete for this life. Unless Northerners agree that woman to rule Nigeria, then you go see great thing for this country. Because we women we too much. Me, they call me for North, so Sokoto, because I know what they go on for that place. And I don't work out for North, many North. I don't see the pains of women. He get one time I go, like, is it Bauchi? I see these ladies, you're fine, beautiful ladies, and they ask them, they know they go to school. And their father are millionaires. I say, why? I say, look, if your father cannot take care of you or train you, train yourself. Like me as I did, nobody train me, not God. I did strong go. I'm from Edo State.
Beauty, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very, very, very much. That is, in fact, your name represents what you don't drop here now. And on that note of beauty and the mood of the beauty, may we quickly do it. May we quickly go for this break. Will they come? Yes, welcome back. The program now as it is hot, and we'll still get our Bonga visitor, Honorable Princess Folashade and Grace Olabanji Oba for the house. She will still look into the general issue of women involvement in power, challenges of women for Obodo Nigeria, and the way forward. You hear the question where beauty talk. But if we go look at, we will not see yes, this question as central issue. Not be just for the north, this problem. It is for the east too, it is for the south too, it is for the central, everywhere now it is. So what do you think say? Because if we also look say, if we also ask ourselves say, if the women they demand say yes, so make men they give them chance, make the men they give them chance. Waiting with that same way if you tell women. We go also and like this, okay, men they give them a chance, but they need to do more.
Yes.
For these men to also further give them more chance to get involved in one or two activities for government.
As they go give them a chance, yes, they will give us chance, but we self we need to help ourselves. We self we no go do gara on top of the men. If like now you say you won't go school.
I beg, but then no vex say they take this talk from your mouth too. We get Alex. Alex they call us from Abuja. Good morning, Alex. Alex, you there? Hey, we don't lose Alex. Okay.
Woman go say because they go school, he no go cook for his husband for house. How you go think say the next morning he ask the husband for money, say he won't go, he not go give am.
At all.
So if you know say they go school for 8 o'clock, you go wake up 4:35. You don't cook, you don't do everything. You go there, the children, you don't send them go school. You know say you don't free your time. So tell your husband self, you no go get any complaint. Say, okay, so this time, nothing is missing. Not be say you go say, after all, you know say I dey go school. Because I dey go school, I no fit cook, I tire, I do this. Now the mentality where you go take approach this thing. Now small by small, the men then go begin they trust us more. And then when you don't learn the book, not be that time they talk to you. Now you go just they speak or you don't go your this kind of English where you need a dictionary to translate.
Yes,
nobody fit talk to you again.
We get under caller. James, they call us from Jos. Good morning, James.
Good morning, Oga Nkobi.
Yes, good morning, Oga James.
Now, Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga James.
Now, they do better thing for studio, honestly.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Me, I am just trying to call for the emancipation of women. The thing where our Nigerian men, they do women, we are not like them because, you know, they say, now woman be the backbone of man.
Thank you.
So whatever it is, you must make sure you recognize the woman as your backbone. Just like the other person first talks, where it is a be head, na neck the carry head. And behind every successful man, there must be a successful woman.
A strong woman, a strong woman.
So a very strong one. That's why I call it successful woman. So at least we should be able to recognize our women and give them a place to be. You understand?
Yes.
Because whatever you think you are, if there is no woman in your life, you are not yet complete.
You are finished. You are finished.
on a very serious note, you are not yet complete. So, like beauty been talk, most especially like this, our northern side, maybe we just begin put eye for that side and see how women go get a little bit right to know how to do things, to know how to support their husband. You can imagine a woman just got married to a man and she's just sitting down in the house. The man will be the one going for shopping. The man will be the one going for everything. She's just sitting down in the house. You have not given her the opportunity to at least empower him. Because in every woman you see, she has the potential of empowering the husband.
Confirm. Oga James, you don't make very, very important points. Empowerment is key. Empowerment is key. Not be just to just tell the woman, say, hey, now you go do this one, but you go empower the woman. Alex, don't call back, and we go here waiting and get to talk. Alex from Abuja. Oga Alex, fire on.
Good morning, Oga Alex.
Good morning.
Yes, we get Ogbonga guests.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
You see, my mama is a woman. Every time we go there, na woman. God not that foolish when he bring two genders, the masculine gender and then the feminine gender, represented by a man or a woman. You see, me, I get sympathy for women. I believe that in the life of this country, for instance, they don't need to say a woman president. And they predicate this belief on the fact that women don't occupy a very sensitive position in this country. For example, giving Professor Grace Anene Williams, one-time vice chancellor of the University of Benin.
True.
She's a mathematician. And the world, if you look at the world, women there now, the prime minister, the father was done in a woman.
Vice Chancellor.
Even the head of affair in Argentina, a woman.
Yes.
Look at our neighbor here, a woman with the head of state. So, again, this saying day, any man when he succeed, woman there behind them.
Very
Exactly.
true.
But that is not to say there are some idle women. In fact, they are already that they do not do this. They don't get married to support their husband.
Okay.
If you meant for their house, now they will be the people that they talk.
Oga Alex, you don't make very, very
Thank
important
you very
point.
much. We not to get time for allow you express your thoughts. Finish. Yes. Now here, as usual, we dey talk and say Nigeria na our country. Make we no do it. Make we no do things. We go make waiting. We go make and scatter. Our guests still get there for us. And I know say you still get one or two things we want quickly tell our viewers. Please, I beg tell them one or two things quickly because we know to
get plenty time. Make we allow our women to learn, to trust them, to do better. If you raise your woman very well, your pikin sef for house.
What do we talk?
Na magic, because you go teach am 1, 2, 3, ABC, na so e go start. Before you know it, that pikin, if it be governor, if it be president tomorrow, if anything happen to the papa, if you no help your woman, that pikin in life, the chance wey go do better for life.
Very, very true. Honorable Princess, you don't make plenty sense. And we thank you as you come on top of a...
Thank you, sir.
Very, very much,
God bless you.
Thank you, man.
Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke. Our Nigerian people, we talk say, una bye-bye.
Bye-bye from me.